Hello. Ah, Ate Casey, hello. Hello. Get ready with me. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. It's alive. Taray nag-live siya. Diba naisipan din? Wala lang. Baka magtampo kasi yung IG ko. Kasi hindi ko siya pinapansin. Hindi ako nagla-live sa IG. So, ayan. Pangit. Get ready with me! Aalis tayo tonight! We are going to socialize. We are going to a party. A party! Who is she? Partying, right? So, hayaan nyo na kung flat yung buhok ko. Hindi ako marunong magbuhok. So, halika na, mag-makeup tayo. Kasi as usual, matagal. Matagal ito. At dapat 6 umaalis ako. Siyempre, hindi masusunod yun. Kasi 5 na eh. Wala pa akong ginagawa. Party, party! We are going to celebrate a birthday of a friend. Hi, people. Okay, so let's start. So, kita nyo yun? May peklat ako. Kasi napaso ko sarili ko ng curling iron. At wait! Napaso ko ulit sarili ko. Kani-kanina lang. Amazing, diba? Hindi na tayo magsi-skincare. Wala na akong oras. Okay na yan. Nag-sunblock na tayo this morning. That's it. Okay, first, I'm going to spray myself. This is Dalba. Dalba First Spray Serum. Gustong-gusto ko to. Feeling ko, ang ganda ko pag nilalagay ko to. Ewan ko lang. Baka guni-guni ko lang yan. Yan lang. So, may pailaw ako. Wow. Ayan. And then, papatayuin lang natin para hindi naman super basa yung face. Gagaling naman to, diba? Nakakalungkot. Sa mukha pa talaga ako napaso. I mean, sa noo, pero nasa mukha pa din. Okay, that's done. Move on to the next. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung dapat nauuna ang moisturizer bago ang spray. Pero wala na, nauna na yung spray. So, we're gonna moisturize next. This is from Bobbi Brown. So, I have pretty dry skin, I believe. Some people say it's dry, some say combination, but I think medyo dry siya ng konti. Hi, Ali! How are you? So, I'm just going to prep my skin a bit. Although, hindi naman tayo mag-heavy makeup today. Wala lang. Ganda-gandahan lang tayo ngayon. I was actually thinking if I should film a Get Ready With Me or go live. But some things, an angel whispered into my ear that I should just go live. So, okay, never mind. And this is Bobbi Brown Eye Cream. Eye cream for the under eyes. Super dark ng under eyes ko, no? It's the only color I have on my face. Hi, Je! Hello! How are you? So, pag sa under eyes, pat-pat lang tayo. Kasi yan ang pinaka-sensitive part ng, kumbaga, pinaka-manipis yung skin natin sa under eyes. So, pat-pat lang. So, ayan. Wala naman filter ang IG, diba? I mean, wala siyang pampakinis. Tama? Wala naman, diba? So, ayan. So, ayan ang itsura niyan. Ang itim, diba? Pero wala. It's giving insomnia. Which is real. Okay. So, I'm just gonna let that sink into my skin for a few minutes. And then, magsa-start na tayo. Mag-primer, mag-foundation, etc. etc. Anong spray yung gamit mo? It's this one. Not an ad. Binili ko to talaga. I love this. Okay. Tapos may isa-spray pa akong isa kasi wala, mabango lang siya. Bango. Alright, alright. Okay, I think ox na to. It's a bit dry. Magpa-music nga tayo. Study in my face, afraid, put me on a wall. Fresh out the gallery, can you handle me? Anong gamit mong moisturizer? It's this one. It's called Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It's from Bobbi Brown. I like it kasi ang ganda niya sa makeup. Kahit anong makeup product gamitin ko, maganda yung patong sa kanya. Ang sakit ng paso ko, nagta-throb. Ay, ang galing ko kasi talaga. Amazing, Alexa. Okay, magpa-party-party tayo. Kaya ang tagal mag-makeup eh, kasi may mini concert eh. Oh no, what's happening? Think about me. Isn't that sweet? I guess so. Baby, I know. Move it up, down. Shut up like Nintendo. Okay. For, bawal mag-music. Baka ma-copyright. Promise? Ang lungkot naman nun. On vacation. Hindi nga, bawal. Sad. Lagyan ng aloe vera. Lagyan ng petroleum. Sige, I'll note all of that. Thank you guys sa suggestion. Na-bother din ba kayo? Okay, so for primer, I'm gonna be using the MAC Studio Fix. This is quite contradicting because my primer is a mattifying primer, but I like a glowy base, so whatever. Just, sira! Hello! Hello! Ayun. Si OA, diba? Okay. Parang may tubig. Bawal sa IG, nakakaiyak naman. I'm working late. Oh, he looks so cute. Wrap around my finger, my twisted humor. Make him laugh so often, my honeybee. Hi, Ate Mau. There, okay, so we have primed our face. Okay, next we are going to add some glow back into our face. I will use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Sobrang luma na nito, paubos na. I need to buy again. It's the me espresso. I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, dead and buried. Bakit iba boses mo? Ha? Nothing left to lose without my baby. Better we should stick together. I know I said I'd never say that I was better alone. Not even forever is even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. But baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Okay. We are now glowy again. Guys, pinutol nga ng IG yung live ko. Ayaw niya kay Billie Eilish. Ayaw niya sa music. Sobrang nakakalungkot yun. As in, bigyan na lang niyang pinutol. Ang baduy naman. Bawal magpatugtog. I guess, lipat na tayo ng TikTok. Mag-TikTok na lang ako. Sa TikTok na lang ako magla-live. Pwede music doon. Hindi ko parang may kaya mag-makeup nang walang music. Ang lungkot-lungkot. So, I guess, lipat po tayo ng TikTok. Bye-bye!